So find dy over dx by implicit differentiation. So we'll just find the y prime and isolate it against its first derivative. So let's answer this number 1. X cubed plus y cubed minus 6xy is equal to 0. So we have, by differentiating both sides, so we have 3x squared plus 3y squared. So 3y squared y prime. So derivative inside, so 3 minus 1 is just equal to 2. Then derivative inside is y prime. So minus, so 6x, so derivative of y prime is 6xy prime, minus, so copy y, so derivative of 6x is 6 is equals to 0. So we have 3x squared plus 3y squared y prime minus 6xy prime minus 6y is equals to 0. So we'll combine the terms here and here because it contains y prime. So we have 3y squared y prime minus 6xy prime is just equal. So we'll put this term and this term to the right side. So 6y minus 3x squared. So after this one, we will isolate y prime. So y prime, so 3y squared minus 6x. So, and also we'll factor this form also. So we have 3. So 2y minus x squared. So divide both sides. So y prime. So 3 multiplied by 2y minus x squared all over 3y squared minus 6x. So 3 here can be also factored in the denominator. So we have 3 multiplied by 2y minus x squared all over 3 multiplied by y squared minus 6 minus y squared minus 2x. So we'll cancel 3. So the remaining will be y prime is equals to 2y minus x squared all over y squared minus 2x. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. 2y minus x squared all over y squared minus 2x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 3.